Okay. How are you? How is things? Everything okay? They will come. They will come and join with me. So finish last class discussion. This is our Java programming. We have assignment. Assignment, how many students finished already? All students finished. Okay. Assignment. This is for midterm. Midterm. Then practical. We will have practical after. Okay. So today discussion for Java programming. Hello. Only one student. We will wait for 5-10 minutes. No problem. Can you hear my voice? Maybe some students having midterm. That's why not coming for joining. Okay. Can you hear my voice? Okay. This is our last class discussion. So in the last class, we discussed about simple Java programming. Final important. 7/3/2021 we discussed. I will take from the folder. Three. This one, all three. This is 7. Write a Java programming down loop using do while. So any problem for this looping technique? Write a Java program to display -10, -8, -6, 6, 8, 10 using do while loop. Do while, any problem? Khalid, Salman, Sumaya. Everybody see the midterm mark in your system? I already updated. It is available in your system. Okay. You have this question, any problem, you let me know. Next, today discussion. I write today discussion in the new page. Write a Java program write a Java program to display two, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 1024. Write a Java program to display the order of memory size. This order of memory size from order of memory size of the system to display order of the memory size of the system. 248, 50112, then 1024 after multiply by 512, 5012, sorry, I think this is 2 minute. This is 512, 1024, 2000. So you need to print these values. 2048, then 5096. 5096 will be multiplied. 5096 multiplied by 2. Everything you need to multiply by 2. 5096 multiplied by 2. 10192. 10192. Using do while. Using do while. Write a Java program to display the order of memory size. Order of memory size of the system, like 2, 4, 8, 16. So it will be going on like this. Memory size. Okay. This is a program today we are going to discuss. Write a Java program to display the order of memory size of the system. Khalid, Mubarak, Salman, Sumaya, everybody available? Me? Okay. How to write this program? So simple Java program can start with Notepad. So what is the question? Write a Java program to display this is a question I write of the system. It's a question. Better you write a question and program is good for you, because after 10 days you will forget what is this program. You cannot find the answer for this program. You have answer, you don't know what is this answer. Really, that is what programming. Programming every day it will be change. It will be a new idea will come. Okay. That's why you need to write when you wrote this program, the date today, 9/3/2021. Write a Java program to display the order of memory size of the system. Start from 2-bit, 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, 128-bit. Up to this, everything you need to display with bits. Using do while. You need to make like this also. Okay, this complete. program. This is called command line, command remark statements. Okay. Then you need to start the program. Semicolon. Everybody see the screen? Okay. Now, public class memory size. You put memory, mem, or put memory also okay. Full you put. I put mem, class file name. Open, public, static, void, main, string S capital. Okay. All recording going on. So now I recorded 2 with Zoom as well as for Big Blue Button. 2 recording is going on together. Okay. Now it will be, I start with A, open and close the main. Now start with main. We need to solve this problem using do while. That's why first we have to declare for the memory. Memory I declare M equivalent to 2 because starting with 2. Okay. Then start do while. Open the do while. Inside the do while, I need to print system.out.println, open bracket. We need to print memory plus bits of memory. So before that, you need to display system.out.println. Memory in bits or memory size. Semicolon. So inside you need to print 2, 4, 8, 16 like that. It's okay. Same line. If you want to one by one line, you put LN. That is the difference. Now you need to increase, multiply. M multiply equivalent to 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. So it will be going on. Then close. Then close main. Close class. So what is the program? Import, public. These things you know already because we did many programs already. System.out.println. Do while. Here while is okay. Now what is the mistake? This program has some mistake. What is the mistake? You close the while, okay. After close the do, we didn't write the while statement. That's why we need to write while statement. Because while statement need for stop the condition. M less than or equivalent to, what is the ending condition? 10,192 bits. When it will come, you need to stop and you have to give semicolon. This is the important condition. Important condition in the while. So do while if you are using, you must specify this condition. Okay, students. Now you need to save this program. Save how? Class name should be the file name. mem.java. Same class name should be the file name. Choose all files. Make save. After that, go to cmd, command prompt of Windows operating system. Come for change directory to the main. Choose your path where you have saved your Java program. Okay, make change directory, right click, paste, enter. Now you are in this your present working directory. You need to set Java path. Java path is already available in this batch file. Clear the screen. Java C memory.java. Enter. Any error, it will give the error. For example, before I forget to give this one, so I save by mistake. So if you run this program, compile this program, this first compile, it will give how many error? 4 errors. Because while not available, illegal start for of expression. So do while is needed. Do while is needed. After that, save. Then if you want, clear the screen is okay. Compile Java program. After compile, no error. After no error, Java mem. Mem is a file name. Enter. Now it will come like this. Memory size 2-bit, 4-bit. There is no space. The display is not very nice. We need to small alter. What is that? Give one space here. Give one space here. If you want to put one hyphen, okay. Now you want to give one semicolon also, okay. Now after save, again you have to compile. You need to compile. Again you need to run for getting a result. Now how? Memory size 2-bit, 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit, 128-bit, 256 bits, 512 bits, 1024 bits, 2048-bit, 4096 bits, and 8192. What is the error? Now logic error. What is logic error? The final print after 4096. What is our program? Our program after here is a mistake. Okay, after 4096, 1048 multiplied by 2, 4096 multiplied by this one. Okay, 4096. System will give correct answer. 8192. 8192. Then it will be multiplied. 8192 multiplied by 2. 16,384. 16,384. So we need to change the question. What is the question? Here write a Java program. Today date Write a Java program to display the memory size. Memory size is a multiples of 2 only every 10. So that's why I change. Then here I am giving 16,384. 16,384. Save. Now check the program. Now it will be coming correctly. 16,384. 8196 bits. 4096 after 4096. 8192 bits. So everything multiples of 2 memory size. Okay. So you need to stop from here. So what is the question now? This is the question. And what will be the answer? This is the answer. Okay. Now I am going to save here the answer. After this answer, this is a result. Result will be stored. Alt print screen. Control V. Okay. So it is stored here. Result. This is the called result. Next, modify the above program. Write to display memory size. So what is next program? This program, any problem? You can ask me. Write a Java program to display the order of memory size of the system. Okay. From 2 to n. From 2 to n bits using do while and read the n value from command line argument. From command line argument. Next question. Write a Java program. This question I saved. Okay. So what is the next question? The next question is write a Java program to display the order of memory size of the system from 2 to n bits using do while and read the n value from command line argument. This is a question. You need to modify. Okay. This is modify the above program. Just modify is enough. Above Java program. Above Java program to display same thing. Okay. How to modify? How to modify? This is the Java program. Now I need to modify. Write a Java program to display order of the memory size from n to n bits using, this is question I am making, okay, inside the program. So after that, I save this file. I save this as memory n, memory n, save. Now I change this to memory n. I change n. Same Java program. Here we need to read the n value. So to read the n value, you know, first n we need to declare. Same like before. Where is our before program? Before program, you can take any program before read. Read program, for example, this one when we finished Java program, read command line. I already teach you how to read command line. Command line used? No, not used here. Wait, here used. Muscat n. You can use Muscat n, no problem. The same program. Here we declare n. Then we use the same statement. If you want, you can copy the statement, no problem. Okay. So I put n equivalent to 0, or you can just declare n, or you can put here comma and n, no problem. It will be working fine. Now n equivalent to capital N, or you use small n, no problem. Here also you can put small n. Now integer dot parse int, this is for command line argument. Command line argument. This is used to read the data. Read the data n. Now if you read the data n, here you need to replace with n. If you give the last memory n bit, which is the last memory is applicable, it will come. For example, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, it will be increasing. 3 GB also possible, but the bits are only 2, 4, 8. There is no 3 bit like that. 3 bit available, but the memory size 2, 4, 8 like that. It starts from only the double the size. Okay. So now this is the second program. What is our second program? This is our second program. Using n. All are with me, all students? Okay, we can go for compile and run. First, save this program. Go to CMD. We need to compile the program. So 2 minutes, I will come. No error. After that, run. Mem n space. How much memory you need, you can give. For example, I need to print up to 3000. You can give 3000. The condition below 3000, it will come. You see, 2048, it will come. Again, you are running. I need the memory size up to 5000. Give 5000, it will give up to 4096, because our condition is up to n. If you are giving exactly, I need 4096, you can give 4096. Suppose if you are giving 8192, 192, it will print up to 80192. Even if you are giving 3 or 4, 8194, it will give only 8192 only, because it's a maximum size you are giving, but memory size only 8192 bits of the memory. Alt print screen. Here you can copy. Here you have a program. Okay. So this is the program to print. Any problem in the program, you can ask me from the beginning. Okay. 2 minutes. Okay, students. Okay. Yes. You have a error. Error. You have to give now. Now only I'm teaching, right? Java mem space. You have to give n value. N value you need to give. Java mem space. How much you need? You need how much memory? Maximum 9,000. You have to give 9,000. Without n, how this program will be working? I told this is n value. What is Salman Khan? Salman Khan. Okay, thank you.